Wow. Okay, let's really slow down for a moment. Welcome back, everyone, to Learn English Everyday Academy. Today's episode is going to feel even closer to real life than usual.
Yes, very close. And honestly, Alex, if you're listening right now and you feel like English is easy in your head but hard in your mouth, this episode is definitely for you.
Exactly, Sarah. And let's be honest for a second.
Of course.
Most people don't struggle with vocabulary.
Right. They struggle with using it in real moments when the pressure is real.
That's such an important point.
So let's explain today's plan clearly, step by step.
Absolutely. First, we will listen to real conversations between people.
Conversations that sound normal, imperfect, and human.
Then we will pause.
And of course, we will repeat the important sentences.
And then we will explain them slowly, deeply, and clearly.
So don't worry if something feels difficult at first.
Exactly. Confusion is part of learning, and that's okay.
Okay, now let's listen to our first conversation.
This is a very common moment between two friends after a long and tiring day.
Just listen for now. Don't analyze yet.
Shh, let's listen to the conversation between Maya and Jack, and then we'll come back and discuss it together.
Hey, Jack. You look really tired today. Like, really tired. Are you okay?
Yeah, I think I'm okay. I mean, nothing bad happened. It's just been a really long day, honestly.
I know that feeling. I was busy from the moment I woke up, running from one thing to another, and somehow I still feel like I didn't get enough done.
Exactly. That's the worst part. You give the whole day your energy, and at the end, you still feel behind.
I see what you mean. Those days feel endless, like they just don't want to finish.
Yeah. Right now, all I want is to go home, eat something simple, maybe sit quietly for a bit, and not talk to anyone.
Wow. Honestly, that sounds perfect.
A moment.
Yes, wait, let me stop you here because this part is very important.
Exactly, Sarah. Now we're going to talk about what you just heard.
And don't worry if it sounded emotional or fast.
Of course, we're going to unpack everything slowly.
Let's start with this sentence because it's extremely common.
And before we explain it, let's repeat it together. It's been a really long day, honestly.
It's been a really long day, honestly.
Now, Sarah, let me jump in here.
Go ahead.
This sentence isn't really about time, is it?
Exactly. It's about how the day felt emotionally and mentally.
Right. The phrase "it's been" connects the past to now.
Meaning the day started earlier, continued for hours, and the tired feeling is still here.
That's a great way to explain it.
And the word really adds strength to the feeling.
Yes, it makes the sentence heavier.
And honestly builds trust. It tells the listener, I'm being real with you.
You can also say, "It's been a long week, honestly," or "It's been a tough morning, honestly."
Same structure, same emotion.
Okay, let's move to the next sentence.
Yes, this one is very emotional.
Sarah, what does endless really mean here?
Great question. It doesn't mean the day never ends. It means time feels slow and heavy.
Exactly. Your energy feels low.
For example, meeting days feel endless or exam days feel endless.
Very natural English.
Okay, now let's listen to another everyday situation.
This one is about making plans when you're tired.
Just listen first.
Shh. Let's listen to the conversation between Emma and Leo, and then we'll explain it carefully.
Hey, are you doing anything later today, or are you completely done for the day?
Not really. I don't have any plans, but honestly, I'm feeling kind of tired and a bit drained.
Yeah, I get that. It's been one of those days, right? I was just thinking maybe we could grab a coffee, sit somewhere quiet, and just talk for a bit. Nothing too heavy.
That actually sounds really nice, especially the quiet part, but I'm not sure how my energy will be later.
Of course, I totally understand. No pressure at all. We can keep it very simple and short if we do meet.
Yeah, that's what I like about it. I just don't want to promise something and then feel too tired to go out.
That makes sense. How about you just see how you feel after you rest for a bit?
Yeah, exactly. Let me see how I feel later and I'll let you know.
Perfect. Take your time and don't stress about it.
Thanks. I appreciate that. I'll text you later and we'll decide then.
Sounds good.
Yeah, talk to you later.
Okay, pause here again.
This conversation happens all the time. Let's repeat it first. Let me see how I feel later.
Let me see how I feel later.
This sentence is polite and soft.
Exactly. It gives you time.
It avoids pressure and keeps relationships comfortable.
When someone says this, they're saying, I'm not sure right now, or I need time.
Another example could be, let me see if I have time later.
Or let me see how things go later.
Very flexible sentence.
Okay, now let's slowly summarize everything we learned today.
Today, you learned real everyday English.
It's been a really long day, honestly.
Those days feel endless.
Let me see how I feel later.
These sentences help you sound natural and calm.
Now think quietly for a moment.
Which sentence felt closest to your life?
That's the one you should start using.
And if this episode helped you,
Don't forget to subscribe to Learn English Everyday Academy.
new episodes, deeper explanations, real English.
Thanks for listening.
And we'll see you soon. Bye!